this button right here, and as you can see, and it literally took over the driving right here. You see that? And it allows people to drive in. We are here on YouTube browsing the internet on the hyperscreen, and we are watching our EQE drive video. We can play Tetris while driving. Imagine, I will be playing shufflepuck against Anna while driving inside the EQS on a very crowded road. So hello guys, and welcome back to today's video with the all new EQS. And in today's video we will be not doing a normal drive. Today we will be trying out for the first time ever the Drive Pilot, which comes with the new EQS and the S-Class, the autonomous driving level 3. First time ever guys, I'm super excited. As a co-driver here, Anna is joining me and she will be answering all the questions regarding the drive. Hello Anna, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm also excited.
Yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. Today we are in Berlin, and let's talk guys. Let's just start up the EQS and the drive. Let me show you something that you already know, okay? Since we have the latest EQS here, we have a lot of assistance systems while driving. For example, the lane keeping or the distronic. It's very easy, but as you know, after 15 seconds, it tells you to put your hands back on the steering wheel, okay? And as soon as you do that, the system will no longer ask for it. But the thing is, you always have to put your hands back on the steering wheel after 15 seconds all the time. But now, as we have the Drive Pilot level 3 driving, let me just start the distronic here again. Up to 60 kph we can start the Drive Pilot with this button here. Okay, we can start the Drive Pilot with this button right here, and as you can see, we have the nice blue color tone here, and it literally took over the driving right here. You see that? I mean, it's crowded right now, and this is very cool to really show you how the system works. Also seeing every single detail here in the display. You see the cars driving inside. It's holding a proper distance with the driver and the car in front of you, and it allows people to drive in, and you can literally sit here right now and do something else. For example, browse the internet. And guys, this is the coolest thing. We all know it. After work you drive into the traffic and you're already tired, but now you can just start the Drive Pilot and it takes over the drive for you up to 60 kph. Keep that in mind. And as you see, it's that easy. It's holding the lane, holding a proper distance to the car right in front of you. It even allows people to drive in the lane. And something very cool right here is how the system visually demonstrates you all of that right here in front of the display and in the head-up display as well, with all the lights, the blue lights, you see that, with the lanes and the cars also right here. The car which has got the letter A is always the car that is driving right in front of you. So guys, something very cool I always want to do while driving is browsing the internet or playing games. I mean, as we have the hyperscreen right here, the 144 centimeter unit, the interior unit, you can just go to apps right here and then start a game. And now that's very cool. Look, normally back in the days, or if you used the normal distronic, you weren't allowed to use the browser here. Now you can do it. You can just check out any YouTube video you want. For example, our YouTube video, the EQE drive. Let's just watch that. And here we go now. We are here on YouTube browsing the internet on the hyperscreen, and we are watching our EQE drive video. This is so cool. Guys, we are literally watching our video with the EQE drive inside the EQS while we are driving. This is so cool. By the way, thank you very much for 400,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate you all. And yeah, which video should we watch next? Guys, imagine driving and watching YouTube videos. This is now reality, but only with Mercedes Benz vehicles. They've applied for this and it's now certified for Germany. Finally, you see guys, it's giving way to a bigger car as well, and you see that. Also nice visual effect right there. I love it. I love it. Let's do something else, guys. With the EQS and the hyperscreen, you can also play games. Yes, you heard that right. I already did that once. I never did that as a driver. I always did that as a co-driver because it was only available when you did it as a co-driver, but only when the driver was focusing on the drive. For now, here we can start Tetris and we can play Tetris while driving. Imagine. It's crazy. So now I will be playing Shufflepuck against Anna while driving inside the EQS on a very crowded road, guys. Imagine, okay? Like you just left work, you're completely tired and you just want to have a chill drive and play Shufflepuck. So let's get it on. No, it's your turn.
It's my turn.
Okay. Let's get it on, guys. We got this. We have to win this. Ah, no. Okay. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah. No way! Literally scored in your own goal, but there we go. It's 1 point for me. I guess I won, and this is so, honestly, this is a very nice experience now. I mean, you can literally use everything. The cool thing is you feel like sitting inside your living room right here with the nice interior, with the leather, with the hyper screen, and now just playing here while driving. I guess this is the future of driving, right? How do you like to drive as a co-driver?
Yeah, I'm really relaxed.
Yeah, it's really comfortable. You see there literally driving, people driving in, and it's very crowded. This is not the most comfortable driving situation right here, but it's made comfortable with the EQS and the new Drive Pilot. And now it's telling me this is the end of the suitable route, as we have tunnels coming, and you see that it's turning orange now, telling me to put my hands back onto the steering wheel. And guys, watch this. Now after some time, you see we have only 100 meters left until the suitable route ends, and as soon as this happens, you hear it, guys, and we also know this noise and sound from the Distronic. And now it's turning red. It tells me to take control of the vehicle now. You see that? If I don't do, guys, the car will literally stop. And that's what I'm doing right now. Oh, yes. Okay, there we go. You see that? But now we just took over the drive. Guys, how do you like the Drive Pilot Level 3? How's the experience for you guys? Would you like to see more of this? Would you like to join for a co-drive and for a game of Tetris or Shufflepuck? Thank you very much, Anna, for explaining me through this, and yeah, can't wait for more, guys. This is just the beginning. Keep that in mind, guys. This is just a step towards autonomous driving, I'm telling you. All in all, guys, looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.